In this video, we will show the entire workflow for ordering materials for stock. And so I will go to this PPN inventory, PPN number 15, which is for 18 gauge steel, 60 by 120. Now I want to order more of this material to be placed in stock. First, you need to make sure the engineering master is set up for a direct purchase, which will be the process of receiving material. The purchase requirement will be itself. If you're unsure, you can always recreate the engineering master as a direct purchase. And you'll see it will create that direct purchase engineering master. So once the master is correct for this PPN part, we'll just add an order for this material. We'll click on the restock button, and that will go ahead and fill the PO in for stock. It selects our own company name, which in this situation, Demo Shop is the name of the company of this instance. The PO line will be set to 99. You will enter in the quantity you want to, so here I've put 100. The price is 0, and the date will set out to 2 weeks. Notice that this auto close will be checked. That is automatically checked when you use the restock button. What this will do is when you receive this material in, it will close the work order for you. So we're going to save this order just like normally we would. And so we see here we have work order 397, which is PO stock, and it's for 100 pieces. And we are the vendor for So Bill 2, Ship 2 is all for this Demo Shop, which is the name of the company for this instance of FloorVisio. So this will be your company's name here in the Bill 2 and Ship 2. And so now when the purchasing department orders requirements, we'll see here is that work order 397 and 18 gauge steel has to be ordered, and here is the 100 pieces we've asked for. So we'll go ahead and order these 100. We'll do a new PO. Notice the PO is 1035. And the vendor who we are going to buy it from, 100 pieces. Now we've ordered that material. Now when that material comes in, we will receive the material on PO 1035. Remember that was the PO. And we will receive the material. And you notice that it flags the receiving department that this material is to be placed in inventory. That's done automatically because the customer is yourself and because it's a PPN part. So we'll put the shipping ticket in and we'll put that we're receiving 100 pieces and putting it in a 1. And we see that it has been automatically closed. And it has been received. Now once you put the material away physically, you do have to come into the inventory. And adjust the inventory. So we would come in here and who is doing the transaction and how many did you add. Click on Add Inventory and now you see the inventory has been updated. Then as inventory is pulled, you would do the same thing and you would reduce the inventory. So that's a quick way to show how to order materials for stock.